X-Guard is a manufacturer of high-quality, American-made grill guards. We have got a wonderful team, and every one of them is passionate about building value in every step of our process.
I know the guys that are bending the pipe, I know the guys that are dipping it, and I know the guys that are welding it. It's all done right underneath one roof.
In 2010, he started with his first truck, and that's when he bought his first X-Guard. They're a lot stronger than any guard I've seen. They're easy to install, easy to use, and they're very durable. For the money spent, it's well worth it. Well, we've taken out 3 deer at one time, and the truck survived quite fine. Did not shut us down at all, and that was huge to us because downtime is the worst thing a trucking company can have. I would not be without it. I would hate to run a trucking company without it. Every truck I own will have an X-Guard on it, no doubt about it.
Makes me feel good to know that we're in a small neighborhood in this little Des Moines, Iowa, and we're building guards galore that's going from here to Canada, across the world. I mean, that feels good. When I drive down the interstate and I see a guard I built go past me, it puts a smile on my face, and that happens every day now.